Do you have a busy schedule? Need extra income? Looking for an alternative to traditional office hours? Can you work up to 25 hours per week? Are you interested in working from home? Roadside Assistance Team Members receive consecutive inbound calls from customers across the U.S. and Canada to help find quick solutions for any concerns that occur during a customer's move. Here's a day in the life of a Roadside Assistance Team Member.
So when my shift starts, I'm ready to start taking calls. And realizing, of course, there's a whole variety of calls you can get. The most common kinds are flat tire or dead battery. You know, often customers, it's moving day. Things are hectic, they're stressed. They left the radio on or they left the lights on, now they have a dead battery. They put the keys somewhere, somebody else put the keys somewhere else, and now nobody knows where the keys are. So we help them get a replacement key. We also get many calls where a dashboard light came on and it worries them, so they call us. And they say, hey, XYZ light's on, what does that mean? Look it up in my manual, oh, that light is for A, B, and C. Not to worry, you can keep going. Or, yeah, we better get somebody out there to check that out just to make sure everything's okay. That's the majority of the calls we get. There are others, but once you've mastered those kind of calls, you've pretty much mastered roadside assistance.
As an assistant manager with Roadside Assistance, I enjoy working with agents as well as customers, making sure that our agents have all the tools available so that they can further assist our customers in the best way possible. Whether that's listening to their calls or working with them, coaching them. We have meetings sometimes just to make sure that they're aware of things that they might not have been informed of previously.
When I was new, I went through the training like everybody does. I was so nervous. And there is absolutely a lot to learn during training. But the trainers are great. They're supportive. They're also knowledgeable. If you have questions, they'll answer them until you feel your question has been answered. They'll go over things. They'll help you out. Everybody in the training department wants you to succeed and wants you to be successful. So they'll do everything they can do so that you are.
We have kind of a collaboration where I can go to another assistant manager, I can find out the best way that we can handle a situation, and our agents are definitely benefiting from that.
And if you're new in the workforce, first, second, third job, looking for a career, this is a great place to start. There are folks that have worked here 5 years, 10 years. One gentleman has worked here 30 years. If you like this kind of work, and I don't see how you couldn't, it's a great place to be. At the same time, let me give a special shout out to the semi-retired and the retired. If you got a little bit more free time on your hand than you were expecting, supplement your income, this is a great place for you.
To learn more about U-Haul Contact Center job opportunities, apply now at uhauljobs.com.